Prepare to be awestruck as the James Webb Space Telescope unveils a breathtaking spectacle from the cosmos. Brace yourself for a front-row seat to witness the extraordinary power and beauty of a giant cosmic blast like never before. The universe is about to reveal its most dazzling secrets through the lens of the Webb telescope. Get ready to be amazed, thrilled, and inspired as we journey into the heart of this cosmic explosion. Exploring cosmic phenomena. Phenomena like supernova explosions, collisions of neutron stars, and the formation of black holes contribute to the generation of gamma rays. This signifies the outer boundaries of our knowledge in both astronomy and physics. In March of 2008, astronomers observed a faint light in the sky suddenly brighten for nearly a minute before gradually fading away. For enthusiastic skywatchers, this is a captivating event, but it's also a stark reminder that our small planet is within the reach of a tremendously potent cosmic force. Powerful cosmic influences. Experts theorize that this cosmic force might have caused the extinction of all life on Earth approximately 44 million years ago. In October of 2022, one of these cosmic energy sources once again underscored the fragility of existence. The question arises, could past events repeat in the vast expanse of the universe? Is this powerful cosmic force to blame? As we contemplate our place in the universe, it's essential to address the potential impacts of gamma radiation. Surviving the cosmic threat. Can Earth withstand the potential devastation brought about by this celestial superweapon? Today's lesson aims to initiate the exploration of these pressing concerns. Let's begin promptly. As fans of science fiction know, beings with gamma powers, whether heroes or villains, wield formidable abilities. Strangely enough, gamma-ray bursts are the mightiest explosions in the cosmos. A tremendously massive star, with a mass many times that of the Sun, can collapse into a black hole in a fraction of a second, unveiling the burst of energy. After shedding its outer layers, the star emits two incredibly intense beams of light, visible even from billions of light-years away. These transient gamma-ray bursts release more energy than the Sun could produce over 1 billion years. Gamma rays, an unforeseen discovery, prompted an international pursuit spanning decades and involving hundreds of astronomers from across the globe. A puzzling discovery. On Sunday, October 9, 2022, a remarkable event transpired that took astronomers worldwide by surprise. An exceptionally bright and enduring pulse of immense energy swept across the Earth. This gamma-ray burst, identified on Sunday, stands as the most potent ever observed, emitting nearly 18 tera-electron volts of energy in a fleeting burst. This energy surge could power the entire United States for a year. Astonishing distance and implications. While initially believed to originate from a nearby source, it was later determined that the actual distance to the source was closer to 2.4 billion light-years. Despite their considerable distance from Earth, a closer gamma-ray burst could have catastrophic repercussions for our planet. Scientists have linked gamma-ray bursts to the potential cause of a mass extinction event covering 440 million miles. The enigma of extraterrestrial life. Could gamma-ray bursts be responsible for the absence of intelligent life elsewhere in the universe? In the 1950s, physicist Enrico Fermi pondered the famous question, where is everybody? Given the multitude of stars in the cosmos, the lack of direct contact or signs of advanced civilizations becomes intriguing. This Fermi paradox challenges the notion of technologically advanced civilizations existing without leaving observable marks in the sky. The altered balance. It's plausible that the powerful gamma-ray beams might unintentionally alter the chemical composition of a habitable planet's atmosphere. Such beams could deplete protective layers that shield against hazardous cosmic radiation. As we contemplate these cosmic mysteries, it's clear that the universe is brimming with enigmas waiting to be unraveled. Cosmic waves and potential impact. This signifies that the planet could encounter a greater influx of cosmic waves, which could eliminate even the hardest radiation-resistant creatures. These creatures would otherwise contribute to the planet's thriving. For sentient life forms like ourselves, this is unfavorable news. The arrival of sentient life on Earth could have been delayed or even prevented due to the frequency or timing of this event during the planet's evolutionary history. The occurrence rate of these lethal rays needs discussion about a hypothetical timeline of intelligence advancement when considering the existence of extraterrestrial civilizations. Cosmologist James Ennis also considered this possibility. He introduced the astrophysical concept of a transitional phase between the absence of intelligent life in the galaxy and the anticipated dense population of intelligent life. According to his findings, the Milky Way galaxy is at a pivotal juncture where new life forms can emerge and flourish. This suggests that we're entering an era where gamma-ray burst frequency is low enough to allow life to prosper more freely. In contrast, earlier epochs had higher frequencies, potentially inhibiting intelligent species from emerging due to radiation onslaught. The gradual decrease in gamma-ray burst activity. Hence, the gradual decrease in gamma-ray burst activity could act as a mechanism promoting the survival of living things. This perspective also alters the foundations of Fermi's paradox, offering a much longer time frame of billions of years for life to disseminate and interact. The paradox supposes that other intelligent life exists that might have contacted us. In reality, they might be newly exploring space, or as Anna speculates, they might not exist on their planet. Fortunately for us, none of the detected bursts originated from our Milky Way galaxy. But what if a gamma-ray burst suddenly emerged nearby? What if a highly advanced species directed it toward Earth? What would the consequences be, and could we respond? Gamma rays are immensely destructive due to their extraordinary energy bursts. The intensity gap between a gamma-ray photon and 1,000,000 regular photons is substantial. Imagine this cosmic superweapon aimed at Earth. Its impact would parallel that of an asteroid strike, obliterating our atmosphere. We would face dangerously elevated UV radiation from the sun without a protective ozone layer, leading to extreme sunburn and heightened skin cancer rates, disrupting the unidirectional energy flow. Plant-eating herbivores and plant life would perish, disrupting the unidirectional energy flow. After plant death, atmospheric oxygen levels would plummet, causing deaths across various species, including carnivores and omnivores. Oxygen masks wouldn't significantly extend human life, as there's only so much they can do. Even if satellites detected gamma rays approaching at nearly light speed, it wouldn't substantially alter the situation. Our ozone layer can regenerate naturally, but this process is incredibly lengthy. The sun's scorching impact could be substantial before the ozone layer recuperates. Do you believe our demise is imminent? Also, what steps can we take to aid Earth? In our galaxy, encountering a gamma-ray burst might occur roughly once every 1,000 years, yet it would likely be too distant to cause harm. However, we can enhance our environment in more practical ways. There are more pressing threats to life on Earth than devising myriad strategies to deflect gamma rays. For instance, habitat loss could lead to the extinction of numerous animal and plant species. We can also adopt reusable shopping bags and water bottles, relinquishing single-use disposables. As the adage goes, focus on what you can control and release what you cannot. Countless potential hazards threaten humanity's survival, but we can make a difference by concentrating on what we can influence. If you've discovered insights that resonated with you in this video, we greatly appreciate your support. Be sure to show your appreciation by hitting the thumbs up button and joining our community of engaged viewers. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be in the front row for all our upcoming content, ensuring you never miss a moment of the exciting discoveries and discussions that lie ahead.